everyone! Welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and we're really glad you're here to spend some time learning natural, everyday English with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something stressful.
Something emotional.
Something that somehow makes 5 minutes feel like 5 hours.
Sounds dramatic already.
Very dramatic.
Today, we are talking about running late.
Oh wow, immediate panic energy.
Very immediate panic energy.
Because somehow, everything goes wrong exactly when people need to be on time.
Very true. Normally, everything feels easy.
But the moment something important happens, suddenly, traffic exists.
Alarms stop working.
Shoes disappear.
Time moves faster somehow.
Honest question, why does time suddenly become so fast when people are late?
Honestly, very good question. Somehow, 10 normal minutes feels long, but 10 late minutes?
Gone immediately.
Very suspicious timing.
Very suspicious.
Today, we are talking about running late in English.
Real English for real life.
Because sometimes learning English is not only about grammar. Sometimes you just want to explain why you are late politely.
Very important goal.
Very important.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through natural conversations,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
okay, Emma, let's imagine something. You have somewhere important to go,
Okay, stress beginning already.
maybe work,
Maybe school.
maybe dinner with friends.
Maybe an important meeting.
You plan everything perfectly.
Very responsible behavior.
Clothes ready,
Bag ready.
alarm ready.
Confidence ready.
Everything feels perfect.
Then suddenly, alarm problem.
Oh no. Dangerous beginning.
Very dangerous beginning.
Somehow, the alarm rings, but your brain says 5 more minutes.
Famous dangerous sentence.
Very dangerous sentence.
Because somehow, 5 minutes becomes 30 minutes.
Honest question, why does sleep feel extra comfortable when people should wake up?
Honestly, very unfair life behavior.
Very unfair.
Then suddenly, eyes open.
Panic begins.
Very big panic.
Because suddenly, you check the time.
Dangerous clock moment.
Very dangerous.
Then maybe say, "Oh no, I'm late."
Useful sentence, everyone. Oh no, I'm late.
Repeat after us. "Oh no, I'm late."
Or maybe, I'm running late.
Useful sentence, everyone. I'm running late.
Repeat after us. I'm running late.
Very natural English.
Emma, question time.
Okay.
Biggest reason people become late.
Easy. Thinking there's more time.
Wait, really?
Very really. Because somehow people always think, I still have time.
Dangerous confidence.
Very dangerous confidence.
Then suddenly, nothing goes smoothly.
Missing keys.
Lost phone,
Wrong clothes.
no transportation.
Very stressful morning.
Then maybe you send a message.
Honest message?
Hopefully honest.
Then maybe say, I'll be there soon.
Useful sentence, everyone. I'll be there soon.
Repeat after us. I'll be there soon.
Or maybe, sorry, I'm late.
Useful sentence, everyone. Sorry, I'm late.
Repeat after us. Sorry, I'm late.
Nice natural English.
Honest question. Why do people suddenly walk faster when late?
Very funny behavior.
Because somehow, walking fast feels productive.
Even if it changes nothing.
Honest answer.
Then maybe traffic happens.
Oh, wow. Bigger stress.
Very bigger stress.
Especially when everything stops moving.
Then suddenly, everybody becomes impatient.
Honest question. Why does traffic feel more annoying when people are already late?
Very good question. Because suddenly, every minute feels personal.
Very personal.
Then maybe say, traffic was terrible.
Useful sentence, everyone. Traffic was terrible.
Repeat after us. Traffic was terrible.
Very useful English.
Emma, be honest. Have you ever been very late?
Wait, why are we talking about my secrets again?
So that means yes?
Sadly, yes.
Oh, wow. Story time?
One time, I woke up late.
Dangerous beginning already.
Very dangerous. Then somehow, everything started going wrong.
Oh no, like what?
Could not find my keys. Phone battery low.
Wrong bus. Wait, wrong bus too?
Very wrong bus.
Honestly, that sounds like a movie.
Stress movie.
Very stressful movie.
Then maybe there's another natural way to explain being late.
Yes. Running late somehow turns normal people into stressed people very quickly.
Very quickly. Because somehow, the moment people realize they are late, everything feels dramatic.
Very dramatic.
Suddenly, time feels faster.
Walking feels slower.
Traffic feels personal.
Very personal.
Honest question. Why does traffic suddenly become 10 times worse when people are already late?
Honestly, very good question. Somehow, on normal days, traffic feels annoying. But when late,
Emotional damage.
very emotional damage.
Then maybe you decide to send another message.
Honest message?
Hopefully honest.
Then maybe say, I'm so sorry, I'm running late.
Useful sentence, everyone. I'm so sorry I'm running late.
Repeat after us, I'm so sorry, I'm running late.
Or maybe I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Useful sentence, everyone. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Repeat after us. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Nice, natural English.
Honest question. Why do people always guess the wrong arrival time?
Very funny question.
Because somehow, people always say 10 minutes.
When really, it is 25 minutes.
Very hopeful timing.
Very optimistic timing.
Emma, question time.
Okay?
Funniest excuse people use for being late.
Maybe I lost track of time.
Wait, why is that funny?
Because somehow, time did not disappear.
Very true. Time stayed exactly where it was.
Honest answer.
Useful sentence, everyone. I lost track of time.
Repeat after us. I lost track of time.
Or maybe something came up.
Safe excuse.
Very safe excuse.
Honest question. Have people become too comfortable saying, I'm almost there?
Oh wow, dangerous question.
Very dangerous question.
Because honestly, sometimes people say, I'm almost there, while still at home.
Very suspicious behavior.
Very suspicious.
Then maybe you finally arrive.
Big relief moment.
Very big relief moment.
But also, small embarrassment.
Small embarrassment.
Maybe medium embarrassment.
Honest answer.
Then maybe say, sorry I'm late.
Useful sentence, everyone. Sorry I'm late.
Repeat after us. Sorry I'm late.
Or maybe, thanks for waiting.
Useful sentence, everyone. Thanks for waiting.
Repeat after us. Thanks for waiting.
Very useful English.
Emma, be honest. Have you ever been extremely late?
Wait, why are we talking about my secrets again?
So that means yes.
Sadly, yes.
Oh, wow. What happened?
One time, I thought I had plenty of time.
Dangerous confidence already.
Very dangerous. Then somehow, I sat down for 5 minutes.
Famous dangerous sentence again.
Very famous. Then suddenly, 1 hour disappeared.
Wait, 1 hour?
Very 1 hour.
What happened?
Honestly, I do not know.
Honest answer.
Then panic started.
Fast walking?
Very fast walking.
Stress?
Very stress.
Confusion?
Very confusion.
Sounds like a difficult day.
Very difficult day.
Honest question. Why does everybody suddenly become faster when late?
Honestly, very good question. Somehow, people suddenly walk faster, eat faster, think faster.
But somehow still arrive late.
Honest reality.
Then maybe somebody understands.
Best feeling ever.
Very best feeling.
Maybe somebody says, "Don't worry."
Kind people.
Very kind people.
Or maybe it happens.
Helpful sentence.
Very helpful sentence.
Emma question.
Okay?
Best advice for people who are always late.
Easy. Leave earlier, stop trusting 5 more minutes, and maybe prepare things the night before.
Very good advice.
Thank you.
Because honestly, running late feels stressful.
But it happens to everyone sometimes.
And simple English helps.
Very true. You do not need perfect English.
Short sentences work.
Like, I'm running late.
I will be there soon.
Sorry, I'm late.
I lost track of time.
Traffic was terrible.
Thanks for waiting.
Real English. Real life.
Confidence grows slowly.
One conversation at a time.
One small sentence at a time.
Even stressful mornings help.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today, everyone.
We hope this conversation helped your English feel easier and more natural.
And maybe made running late feel a little less stressful.
If you enjoyed learning with us,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
we will see you again soon.
Bye, everyone.